How to create fee category. Today we will discuss about fee module, which is the most important module in ZamaSchool. Here we will discuss about how to create fee structure and how will you people apply fee on the students. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on the fee discount and structure. In fee discount and structure, we have different options like fee categories, fee structure, fee discounts, and student fee details. First, if in the fee module is to create fee category, click on the add fee category to create fee categories according to your own fee structure. Categories can be of different types like tuition fee, monthly fee, transport fee, etc. I take the example of monthly fee. If you choose yes, then in all students it will appear as a zero balance, and if no, then it will appear as mentioned in the balance. Another option is edit option. You can select your category as editable or not. If you don't want to edit the category in the future, then leave it no. Otherwise yes, if you want to make any changes in the future. Click on the save fee category and it will be saved for use. Similarly, you can create admission fee category as well. Another option may be transport category. These categories can be created with no limits on it. For transport category, we can leave it optional as transport fee is not applied on all students. Upon returning to the fee discount and structure, there you will find all the categories you have made. And if you want to make any changes in these lists, just click on the update option and you can make any changes to the existing categories. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on our registered number in the description.